Hey everybody, so I'm doing a durability test on my RC truck, and well, today I was having fun with it, and oh, that's loose. Well, I broke something on my truck that I have never broke before, and the motor's fine, because I had to do some little grinding to get the drive shaft to fit, but as you see there, I drilled a hole in the back. Well, I was out there running my truck, and I hit something and locked up. I believe it was this wheel or this wheel. I don't remember. I think it was this wheel, yeah. Because I pick it up and rip it off. It's like some type of orange screen mash. Well, you better see it. But if I go like that, well, I snapped my front right pinion. Turn my autofocus on. That makes it too bright. So yeah, never happened to me before. I've actually never broke one before until today. And I gotta order more parts. The funny thing is, it snapped the rod. Holy smokes. Well, it broke two things. It broke one of these. That goes to the drive shaft. Because, this S-screw is still there. Alright, come on. You see it there? So I'm going to pull it out real quickly. I think it broke. That's what it looks like. But why is it a different color than this part? Almost looks like a small grub screw, but I don't know. Very, very odd. Because if I look at it like this, you can see where I drilled the hole through it. And it snapped it, because I don't understand why, because it's weak point now. But why didn't it break this one as well? That's what makes no sense. Why did that break and this one broke? Because I have no idea. But yeah, but if anybody's got any recommendations how to make the redcat, I can't think what we call them, differentials, spine, yokes, stronger and better, please let me know.